What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. This is Oscar Ramos, your host, and well, I'm gonna take this time, especially during Thanksgiving, to say, well, I'm grateful for everybody here appreciating what a bear market is, because ClearCryptos is obviously a company that was born in the bear market with one objective: educating, providing trust, and letting people act with more information on their hand. We don't do anything for you, you do it for you, and that's it. Now, obviously, Bitcoin and all of these cryptos, we're already pretty tired of seeing them at these prices. The questions of, is this the bottom? Are we supposed to buy now? Will it go lower? Those are frequent, and I'm happy to tell you that none of us, and not me or not probably you, know that answer, right? Not that the answer to that question, and that's fine. You take a look at the technical analysis, and we are already under the 300 weekly moving average for Bitcoin. In the past, that was the signal of that's the bottom. Actually, it was the 200 moving average weekly, but now we have passed the 300 moving average and we're under that one. The reason? All the collapses, the fear, the crashes, the scams, the hacks, the lies, and more. Obviously, it's been said that we've been pushed back. It's easy. Binance CEO has said it. Many people have said it. And I do agree that 2022 is cooked. 2023, we may see the worst of it or the end of it. Finally, by 2024, 2025, the comeback of crypto. But you know what? By that time, this company and many more, the good ones, were going to prevail. And I think building during this time and surviving will be enough to come back stronger when things are much better. Obviously, don't want to be extremely biased here. There are some companies that will not come back. There are some projects that will not come back. Some NFT projects that will not come back, and cryptos and altcoins that we may have heard of a lot that will not come back. And that's okay, because that's crypto. With over 20,000, according to crypto here, you can see it over 21,000. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and some other ones have stayed on the top for many years since the beginning of crypto, right? So I'm excited to see what's coming by then. Do not lose patience. Have that discipline, that state of mind to continue moving forward, because I've been in crypto for over a year now, turning close to my second year. And I know there's so much to learn, especially in the Oscar Ramos channel. Gotta tell you that we love it. People are amazing, excited, pumped for Crow, pumped for Terra Luna Classic, pumped for crypto and Bitcoin. And how about you? So I hope you guys are thankful. I hope you guys have an amazing Thanksgiving. By the time you watch this video, might be later, of course. But just remember that we may go lower if things get worse with the wars, with regulation, with the Fed, although we just received the Fed minutes from FOMC meeting November 1st and 2nd, and it seems that they're going to slow down that rate and those hikes, which is good. Slowly but surely getting positive news, but still we have a bunch of threats ahead of us. We'll see what happens. Thank you for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time. Go ahead and smash the like button, subscribe to ClearCryptos, follow us, take a look at our products. They're amazing. The swap analytics, learn. Welcome to CCX. Peace.